So this is the Venobat Halloween mask review. It's actually a pretty cool mask. I've just found this on Amazon. It's fairly cheap as well. There you see, it's pretty detailed. The stitching that runs along the mouth, that lights up. And it's got like a plastic eye cover that you can see through. I'll try to show you. There's a strap that goes around the back. You can see through the eyes there. It's also attached with this wire to battery pack. The batteries don't come included. There's setting 1, setting 2, setting 3. So you could pretty much match this with anything. It looked really cool. I'll give you a quick demonstration. So that's the Venobat Halloween mask review. Well worth getting, and you can find it over on Amazon and probably plenty of other places.